Morning, I'm Pete from Oscar Pet Foods, East Yorkshire and Tadcaster. Started off basically, bought the franchise and I worked full time until I got the franchise up to a place where I was happy to give up my job and do it full time, which I do now. Before I started with Oscars, I used to do 60 hours a week as an engineer, on call on a weekend, so it could go from anywhere from 60 to 80 hours. Since being with Oscars, like I said, I started off part-time and now I'm full-time. At the moment I'm delivering 2 days a week, and then that's allowing me time on a weekend for doing shows. Shows is where you get most of your leads from, selling your starter buckets, then deliver it to their door. That's one of our best points, because people like the food delivering to the door. They don't have to worry about it, they don't have to carry big heavy bags home. We've got a range. We start from working dog and it goes all the way up to gluten free, then to the sensitive, and then we've got the fresh salmon. One of the reasons I bought the Oscars franchise was I got a Labrador who's got a very sensitive tummy. I've tried all sorts of different foods and fell across Oscars on the webpage and got some from the Oscars Direct, and the sensitive sorted my dog out, and since then he's never had a dicky tummy at all. With the home delivery service that we do, we can deliver everything, all the range of foods that we've got. We've got not just the dog food or the cat food, we've got bird food, we've got fish food, we do guinea pigs, rabbits, you name it, we sort of do it. We do wormers, everything, so the customer can have everything they want delivered to the door without even thinking about going to the shops. So anybody that would like to talk to me about franchising, how we get on, if they get in touch with the Oscars recruitment, Janet, she will pass your details on to me, or they'll pass my details on to you, and then you can ring me and we can have a chat and tell you how I feel about it. You can also go onto the Oscars webpage, the Facebook page or Twitter, to get daily updates on testimonials, any special offers that Oscars have got on. So that's something else you can check out.